NBC26 Precision Forecast Center, Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
Today was the 9th straight day with at or above normal high temperatures, but that warm streak is coming to an end. Let's take a look at your next 7 days, where I'm forecasting only one day to be above normal. That's Monday, when high temperatures will be in the 30s. Besides that, we can expect a lot of teens and lower to mid-20s. Our normal high temperature now sits at 28 degrees. Most of us were in the lower to mid-30s earlier today. This evening, temperatures are beginning to drop off. 25 degrees in Fish Creek. We've got 28 degrees in Oconto. It is 29 in Watoma. And we're looking at 31 degrees in Oshkosh. Along with the mild temperatures today, some more snow. We had a burst of moderate snow during the morning hours and then light snow and flurries for most of the day. And tonight it is still snowing out there. As expected, the heaviest totals were north of Green Bay. We had 5.5 inches in Oconto Falls, about 4.5 inches in Shawano, 3.5 inches in Fish Creek, about 2.5 inches in Swamico, and then from about Green Bay south, only about 1 to 2 inches. NBC26 Precision Radar continues to show snow covering most of the viewing area. The steadier snow is pushing off towards the south and east. It's mainly light, but there are some pockets of moderate to heavy snow mixed in there. Off to the north and west, it looks like it's not snowing, but it is. The radar is just not picking it up here near Rhinelander and Eagle River and Minocqua, so the chance for flurries will continue as we head deeper into the night. We have now had 19 straight days with precipitation falling here in northeast Wisconsin, and it's come in a lot of forms. We've had thunderstorms, we've had sleet, freezing rain, snow, rain, and drizzle, and so far, as of today, we are now looking at our third wettest winter on record. Number 1 and number 2 will be safe. Number 1 was back in the 1920s when we had 9 inches of precipitation. Of course, that's snow, freezing rain, drizzle, sleet, all melted down together, and then it gives you that total precipitation amount. Today's precipitation was produced by this Alberta Clipper, which is now pushing away from Wisconsin. Behind it, we've got a cold front, and then behind the cold front, we've got some colder weather. Temperatures this afternoon running 5, 10, 15, 20 degrees colder than what we saw yesterday afternoon. We had highs in the 30s across eastern Wisconsin, but only teens and 20s off to the north and west, and that colder weather will be here for tomorrow. So look for highs to be running about 10 to 15 degrees colder than what we saw this afternoon. 19 degrees in Coleman, look for 18 in Frostville, 22 in Sherwood, 23 in Two Creeks, right around 24 degrees tomorrow in Green Lake. Precision Cast shows the steadier light snow tapering off to flurries later on this evening, and then some clearing is possible after midnight. So by tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, sunshine mixing with a few clouds. We're going to see sun and periods of clouds throughout the day, and once again a chance for a few more flurries, which means tomorrow more than likely will be the 20th straight day with precipitation here in northeast Wisconsin. Now, as we head into next week, we can expect overall colder weather and the chance for some more snow. We're going to have a couple of systems move across the upper Midwest. The first one Monday and Tuesday, and then the second one next Thursday and Friday, and that one bears watching. It has the potential to be a big one somewhere across the central part of the country, so we'll stay tuned for that. Tonight, light snow ending with some clearing, overnight lows in the teens. Tomorrow, breezy and colder, a mixture of sun and clouds and a few flurries. Highs will be in the lower 20s. If you are spearing tomorrow, look for that mixture of clouds and sunshine throughout the day. A couple of flurries, a little breezy out over the ice. Temperatures will be in the lower 20s. Wind chills will make it feel colder. Upper teens on Saturday, sun and clouds, maybe a flurry. Windy and warmer on Sunday, windy and even warmer on Monday as the next system moves through. A chance for some snow Monday night into Tuesday morning. Colder weather then for Tuesday afternoon and Wednesday, and then we'll watch that potential for a bigger storm next Thursday and Friday. The weather just remains very active.
Yes,
Stacey.
it does. Up and down, up and down.
And lots of snow and rain and sleet and freezing rain. Lots of it this year.
That's winter in Wisconsin. Well, you can now follow the very latest weather conditions and get the most